Welcome to the Banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility. Check the glasses model against your projector and firmware. Power the glasses now, insert batteries or connect charger until the LED shows ready. Next, set the projector to DLP Link mode. Many projectors call it 3D or DLP Link in the menu. Place the glasses within 1 to 3 meters and keep a clear line of sight to the screen. Once done, you're positioned to pair quickly and move into the pairing sequence. You now initiate the projector's 3D output and choose the DLP Link trigger option in its settings. Put the glasses into pairing mode. Press the pairing button until the LED indicates searching. Your projector will send a sync pulse. Make sure you adjust room lighting because strong sunlight or fluorescent lamps can interfere with infrared pulses, dim lights, or reposition lamps. If the LED stabilizes, the glasses are synced. If not, try moving closer and you finish by testing with a 3D clip and confirming correct left/right images. If eyes swap, toggle the glasses sync or projector polarity. Make fine adjustments to brightness and 3D depth on the projector so the image is comfortable and ghosting is minimal. If you lose sync, reboot the glasses and projector, replace batteries, and remove potential IR interference like nearby remote controls. One key troubleshooting tip. If pairing repeatedly fails, move both devices to a different position and retry within 1 meter for a clean sync.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.